Okay guys, welcome. So in this short video, I'm gonna show you how to set up your own business website using LightUpMy.Biz. Your website might be ready in just under 5 minutes. I tell you, 5 minutes. Okay, let's get started. So here is LightUpMy.Biz front page. You can see about us and why us. The first step is to select a package. Here are the available 3 packages. So select one of them and create an account. Okay, let's select this. You don't need to make any payment to get started. So what is the name of the title of your website? The site URL. So we offer free subdomain for all users. So after setting up your account, you can create a custom domain that you would like to use afterward. So let's say I'm using yempos.com, but this is my site URL for now. So when I register this, I'm going to link it to this. So this is free, provided by LightUpMy.Biz. So your business link will be, your business website link will be LightUpMy.Biz/yempos, or any other business name that you use. Okay, now if you're already registered on our platform, then you can just log in here. If not, then you can continue to create an account. Enter the username you like to use to log in to your admin area. Enter your password. Enter password again. So that's all. Now the description of the order. You can see subscription. I selected enterprise, and the price is just 10,000 naira per year. So total today's grand total, you are paying nothing to register. Right now we are offering 3 days free trial for everyone. So you don't need to pay. You don't need to insert your card detail or whatever before you can get started. You can start just for free. Now enter your zip code here. For Nigeria, mostly will be 234. So, and enter your country. Okay, so then click on checkout. It says the password entered is too weak. You can see which password, then let me add to it. It's still weak. Okay, okay. So it's strong now, so I can move on and check out again. And that's it. Our website is ready. So here is the link to the website. Yempos Knitting and Printing Works. That's our business, for example. And here is the link, lightupmy.biz/yempos. Now here is the link to admin area, and here is the link to the website. Let me go to admin area. So this is the second step. Now the third step now You can see hello world. There is nothing on it right now. Now the third step is to select a theme. From the dashboard area here, just go to appearance, themes. And there are lists of available themes. So depending on the kind of website you want to design, if you are designing maybe a portfolio website, a business website, either SME or corporate website, or maybe you just want to create a landing page for a product or for a sales funnel, then you can use just any of the theme. You can use any of the theme, but there are some themes that have ready-made templates, and there are some that do not have ready-made templates. So for instance, this Blocksy is having template. Flatsum is also having template. Niv is having template. STI is not having template, and Hello Elementor is also not having template. But this can be used when you want to use page builder like Elementor page builder. We have Elementor page builder for those that know how to use it, and for those that are ready to learn, there is a guide on how to use that. Then also those that want to create something like they want to host and sell their course online, then it's recommended to use Estia. We use Estia coupled with Lifter LMS plugin. You'll see that, and we also provide a guide for that. Just check out our guide page. You'll see everything how to do that. Now for this, you can see the active theme is 2022, which is just an empty theme. Then from there, let's go for Blocksy. Now I'll activate the theme I want to use, which is Blocksy. I'll activate Blocksy. Okay, so you can see Blocksy is the active theme now, and you can see the notification here. Thanks for installing Blocksy. So we recommend you to activate Blocksy companion plugin. So let's do that right from here. Okay, Blocksy companion activated. So you can see starter site. You see home here. You can set up your you can customize your website the way you want it. Color options, header options, blog options, page, sidebar options, footer options. So, but let's go to starter site so that we can start with a template, a ready-made template, a ready-made website. Okay, you can see here are available templates that you can import and start with. You can see different templates are here. Now, depending on what you want. Okay, so if you check, you can see that, for instance, this template now this is available for Gutenberg page builder and Elementor page builder. So which means you can activate Elementor page builder, since Gutenberg is the default WordPress page builder. So you can see this is also Breezy page builder, which means you can also activate Breezy page builder. So let's go ahead and activate Elementor page builder. So here are available templates, available plugins, Elementor. So this is Elementor free and Elementor Pro. So let's activate them. Let's also activate Breezy, or let's okay, it's better to go for one so that the website will be as fast as possible, because the more the plugins you install, the slower your website will be. Okay, so Elementor installed. Let's go back to Blocksy and check out our starter site. If you are a web agency, then you can go for something like this, or even any kind of agency. You can easily edit this to make it yours. If you want to create a personal website, you can see this. Let's preview something like this. You can see this is a personal website. Maybe you are a coach, you want to create a personal website for yourself, for people to see your services and some of your work. Also, if you are a freelancer, you can use something like this to display your work and your portfolio. Okay, let's check other templates. If you are into any kind of services, let's say this is for catering service, you can see this. Barbing, cleaning services. You can simply edit this to any kind of service you are rendering. This is for a mini shop selling gadgets. This is for car services. You can see we have them as many as possible here. Just go for one. You can see this is for the landing page. Let's preview this. You can see if you want to design a website, a landing page for maybe your product or your app. This is for an app, but it can also be edited to display a product landing page. You can see how the app works. Take aspect. You just change some things there to make it suit your own product. Okay. Okay, so that is it. You can simply try to play around, and find what you want. Okay, so let's check another theme. But before we do that, let me try to uninstall all the plugins I just installed now. I just install this and this. Okay, deactivate, apply. Okay, so let me go to appearance, themes. Okay, so let's check NIF, activate NIF. Let's see how it works. Okay, so congratulations, NIF is now installed and ready to use. So you can see site library, and if you want to read the documentation to know more about the theme, then you can go ahead. So NIF comes with a site library with various designs to pick from. So try one of our ready to use starter sites. Okay, so in order to be able to import any style, you need to have the cloud template and pattern collection plugin active. So let's activate that. Okay, it says you could not activate the plugin, but don't worry, just go back and check the name again. Sorry, just check the name. What we need is cloud template and pattern collection. So just go to plugins. Let's open that in a new tab so we can remember the name. Just search for cloud template and pattern collection plugin. Okay, cloud template and pattern collection plugin. Pattern collection. So you can see this also. You can activate this NIF Pro. It's an extension for Pro team, for NIF team. Pattern collection. Okay, so here is it, template pattern collection. Just install this and install the NIF Pro. I just selected earlier. Install Elementor Pro. And you can also install contact from 7 or contact page to be the contact page. Okay, let's activate this for now. We will need another plugin. We'll come back here later. Activate that. Okay, so let's go back to our appearance. Starter site, you can see we have starter site now here. Let's go. Okay, so we can see these are templates that you can start with. Different templates: architecture, studio, photography, gym, fitness. You can see personal blog, music band. We have music band, and let's check this out. You can see we have music band. You can use this to design your website, or you design for someone that you know is into that. Just check them. Okay, let's go back. X for me. So you can check everything out and see the one that you can see. This is categorized, you can see for portfolio. These are portfolio things. If you want to showcase your portfolio, these are for businesses, for freelancers, for agencies. You can use any of this also. Okay, let's check again. Business. Okay, so yeah, for business also. Some can be used for business and some can be used for services at the same time. So just what you want, you can say restaurants, vacation rental, medical, finance, accounting, any kind of business. You can see this. All you will just need to do once you import the demo is to start editing. Just drag and drop. Okay, so you can see these are for Gutenberg. So all these templates are for Gutenberg. You can check for Elementor also. These are for Elementor page builder. If you know how to work with Elementor, and if you don't know how to do that, then if you don't know how to work with Elementor, we provide a tutorial on how to use Elementor, and so you can subscribe to our e-learning platform to learn more, or you hire us to do one for you. Okay, so once you identify the template you want to use, all you just need to do is to click on the import. So let me just try to do that now. For business, let me choose that business for. Okay, so that's about this. You can also play around, play around, play around, play around to see how it works. Okay, now let's move on. Let's go back to Teams. So I'm showing you how to work with MIF and Ploxy. So now to flat to flat first, let's go to the plugin again to deactivate the recently activated plugin. So let's select all, block action, deactivate. So apply. You can also just try to select them one after the other, So it would have been deactivated now. Now let's go back to Teams. Platform. Activate platform. Okay, now platform will show you the following recommended plugins are currently inactive. So it says you should activate contact from 7 and WooCommerce. They are recommended, but they are not compulsory. So you only need WooCommerce if you are going to be selling a product. So if you are not selling products, then you don't need WooCommerce. We can activate contact from 7. Let's begin activating. Let's try to activate that contact from 7. Okay, it says you don't have access. Don't worry. Just go back and go to plugins. So go to plugins and create contact from 7 from here. Activate. Okay, so let's see. So how does platform work? Platform is very simple and easy to use. All you just need to do to see all the available templates is just create your page. For instance, let's create a new page. You can create a new page from here, and also you can create a new page from here. So add new. Okay, so this is the video to add new page, but this is the default page builder, which is Gutenberg. We want to use that of platform, and here is it. Edit with UX Builder. So just click on Edit with UX Builder. Leave. It's loading. Okay. So here is it, and here are different templates. You can see there are different templates. You can see video cover, vendor shop, corporate. You can see this is my love. This is my love. And if you want to start from custom templates, you can just start yourself. Start from selecting a section, row, start designing from scratch. There are different elements to work with. Just drag and drop. Drag and drop. No coding. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you later. See you later. Bye.